Okay, here's the story. Adobe's data shows AI referred traffic to retail sites is up 1,300% since October 2024, and it converts 54% better than everything else. One case study, ChatGPT traffic hit a 27.78% conversion rate. Google Ads brought in way more sessions, but converted at just 1.19%. The catch, AI overviews are also cutting organic clicks by up to 80% on some pages, and only about 8% of searchers still click through at all. Today, what's actually happening to search and the geo moves that get a small business cited instead of buried? All right, let's get into it. Imagine you rent like this massive storefront on the busiest street in the world. Millions of people walk by every single day just staring at your window display, but they keep walking.
Right, so you have plenty of foot traffic, but zero actual sales.
Exactly. But then there's this tiny hidden side door. Only a handful of people use it, but every single person who walks through that door buys your most expensive item.
That is the dream for any business, right?
Yeah, and today on the Deep Dive, our mission is to figure out how you can build that side door. We're looking at fresh May 2026 data from Adobe, a recent e-commerce case study, and some new technical blueprints to unpack why AI-driven traffic is just absolutely crushing traditional search when it comes to actual conversions.
I mean, the sheer scale of this shift is just staggering. The Adobe data shows AI referral traffic has surged over 1,300%.
Wow, 1,300?
Yeah, and the metric that actually matters to a solo creator or a small business is that this traffic converts 54% better than non-AI channels.
Wait, 54%? So traditional search obviously still wins on raw volume, but AI is bringing in an audience that is actually ready to pull out their credit cards.
Exactly. Our e-commerce case study proves that out perfectly. So this brand ran Google Ads, bringing in 1,768 visits. That yielded a pretty standard conversion rate of about 1.19%.
Which is normal.
Right, totally normal. ChatGPT, on the other hand, only sent 18 visits to that same site. But from those 18 visits, 5 people bought.
Wait, 5 out of 18?
Yeah, that is a massive 27.78% conversion rate. And with a higher average order value, too.
So it's like if traditional SEO is putting up a billboard on a highway for 1,700 window shoppers, AI is like having a trusted personal shopper hand your product directly to 18 VIP buyers.
I love that analogy, and that personal shopper dynamic is exactly why answer engine optimization, or AEO, is becoming so crucial now.
Because people aren't just casually browsing anymore.
No, not at all. They aren't looking at a list of 10 blue links and trying to figure it out themselves. They're asking highly specific questions and trusting the synthesized decision the AI provides. It's really a zero-click world where the AI does the thinking, makes the recommendation, and the user just buys.
Okay, I have to challenge this logic though. If the AI is making the ultimate decision and only giving the user one perfect answer, doesn't that just create a massive monopoly?
How do you mean?
Well, if I'm a small business, I am not going to beat Amazon or Nike for that single AI recommendation. Am I just invisible now?
You'd think so, but generative engine optimization actually levels the playing field if you know how the models work.
Okay, explain that.
So AI models are trained to avoid hallucinating, right? They look for consensus across the web. If your own website says your product is great, the AI basically ignores it.
Right, because of course you'd say that about your own stuff.
Exactly. But if it scans platforms it already trusts, like Reddit, LinkedIn, and YouTube, and sees 20 real humans recommending your product, it triggers the AI's trust threshold, and that is when it recommends you.
So you can't just shout on your own blog anymore. You need real people talking about you where the AI is actively listening.
Yeah, and beyond that social proof, you have to format your own site so the AI can actually read it. The AI won't parse a 2,000-word marketing blog. It wants raw, structured data.
Hence the new technical blueprints.
Exactly. That's why businesses are now adding an llms.txt file to their website's root directory.
An llms.txt file? Like a robots.txt?
Kind of, yeah. Think of it like a cheat sheet you hand directly to the AI. Instead of making ChatGPT read your whole messy website, this simple text file feeds it exactly the facts, prices, and clear FAQs you want it to cite.
Okay, so building citations and adding an llms.txt file helps us get into the AI's answers for free today. But how long does free actually last? Because looking at the sources, ChatGPT has already launched its cost per click ad model.
Yeah, you can pay to play now, which means the free organic AI gold rush we're seeing is ending soon.
Just like Google Ads did back in the day.
Right. Google Ads started free and cheap too before it became a massive paid machine. The urgency to optimize is real right now. But I do have a word of caution as you pivot.
What's that?
Don't lose your human premium. AI is an incredible junior assistant for aggregating data and getting you in front of the buyer. But an AI can't build genuine emotion.
Right. I mean, it can summarize a product's features, but it can't tell your personal story or build a community.
Exactly. So don't abandon your traditional SEO just yet. But structuring your content for AI answer engines is a measurable, high-converting growth lever you can test cheaply today.
For sure. And as you start rethinking your digital storefront, we'll leave you with this. If AI answer engines are now doing the thinking, the comparing, and the deciding for the buyer, who are you really marketing to now? The human consumer or the AI algorithm acting as their gatekeeper? So that's the shift. Fewer clicks overall, but the traffic that does show up is already sold. The move isn't dropping SEO, it's layering GEO on top, an llms.txt file, FAQ schema, and getting your brand actually mentioned on Reddit and YouTube, because that's where these models are pulling their answers from. Give it a like if this helped, comment which GEO tactic you're trying first, and subscribe. We're back tomorrow. See you then.